Howard. Oh, the batsman trying to scoop it. The batsman trying to scoop it. He was trying to be inventive, but a good ball by Naeem Rahman. Good comeback by Naeem Rahman after being off track in the first two balls. So at the end of 16th, the score is 129 for the loss of 5. The Rising Warriors need another 42. In the last 4, they need to get it over 10. They need to go at over 10. Will they do it? Can they be hero? Who among Amit Kare and Nagabhushan will be heroes today?
17th over.
Urban Farms Private Nest awaits us for a fantastic finish. Let's see. Spinner back into the attack. Smart move by the captain. He's got a deep cover. He has got a long off. He has got a long on. He has got a point. He has got a deep point. So here's Mittal. That's given a wide. So this is the last over for Mittal. Mittal has been brilliant with his pace variations. Oh, he moves. That's a fantastic shot. That's a great stroke there. He has just lifted it over. Nagabhushan has just lifted it beautifully there over short fine leg.
Any balls are 4 balls.
Nagabhushan has beautifully lifted. He has anticipated the ball, moved outside the off stump and has beautifully lifted it over the short fine leg for a boundary.
18th over. 17th. Any balls in water.
Here's the third ball. Oh, Nagabhushan tried to reverse sweep that. Will that go for a boundary? Yes, it does. Wow. Nagabhushan has been really inventive in the past 2 balls. His innings was, and that's a 50 for Nagabhushan. What a great knock this was. Was really streaky in the first, in the initial stages, but has managed to get back to the groove in the past few overs. What a great knock by Nagabhushan. A great 50 there by Nagabhushan. Can he be a hero? Nitish Mittal, who has been very economical in his 3 overs, is suddenly being tested and taken for runs. I guess the batsman has already read him. He has been really giving a lot of deception and giving a lot of flight and become predictable. Now there is pace variation. That's a good ball. That was a faster one there by Nitish Mittal. A good comeback by Nitish Mittal after being hit for 2 boundaries. Oh, that was very good ball. Oh, again the keeper missing it all together. The batsman scampers for a second run. The Centurious Cricket Club need to be really very alert. They should not give any free runs at this stage. Any runs are like gold for the Rising Warriors. Here's the last ball. Here's the last second ball of Nitish Mittal's last over. Oh, that is lifted only for a single. The batsman scampers back for a second. Now Nagabhushan scampers back for a second. Was trying to play it inside out over cover, but only manages a second. This is some good batting there by Nagabhushan. So the last ball of the 17th coming up. This is the last ball of Nitish Mittal's spell. Can he end it with a wicket? So here's the last ball of the 17th. This was short. Really very lucky for Nitish Mittal. The bat, Nitish Mittal gets away and he ends up with a dot. Great over there by Nitish Mittal. So at the end of 17, the score is 142 for the loss of 5. Another 20. Rising Warriors require another 29 in 18 balls, requiring over 9 per over. They need to get the runs at almost 10 per over. Centurious Cricket Club have been really streaky and streaky in the past few overs. They have been giving some easy runs. They have to huddle up in the last few overs. Can they huddle up? Can they be heroes? Who will be the hero for the individual teams? Nagabhushan on the rise for the Rising Warriors. Amit Kare is supporting him. Nagabhushan has been really very good. He has played some fantastic shots in that knock of 50 all through the offside, onside. Has been streaky though initially, but a very good knock in the end. Nagabhushan has been playing the anchor role so far. Amit Kare has also been superb in supporting him so far. The captain huddling up there, the captain huddling up his troops, the captain of the Centurious Cricket Club huddling up his troops for all the plans going on. The cup up for grabs. What is there for us in the store? Let us find out in the next 15 minutes. The next 15 minutes passage of play is going to be very, very interesting. The field has spread out. They've got a long on, they've got a long off, they've got a very deep square leg. They've got good square fielder. They've got closing fielders also, but the field has spread in. The batsman will definitely try to hit hard in these last few overs. So here's the first ball of the 17th over. The batsmen need to get it over 20, over 10 and over. Oh, the ace bowler of Centurious Cricket Club back into the attack. Vamshi is back into the attack. He has been really superb. Experience showing on Vamshi's face and in his bowling. The batsman only manages for a single. Amit Kare has only managed to hit it down the ground for a single. Nagabhushan also tries to swing it. Nagabhushan going for a second. Amit Kare very quick going for a second run. Is that out? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Nagabhushan was running to the danger end. And what a beautiful throw out there from the deep. Amit Kare is run out. This is a very, very crucial breakthrough at the juncture of the match. The Rising Warriors have lost their 6th wicket in form of Amit Kare being run out. That was a fantastic throw there down from the deep. He has got a very good throwing arm. The new batsman walks into the crease. That was a fantastic throw. The throw there from the deep mid wicket by Balu. What a great wicket at the juncture of the game, considering the passage of the play. Centurious Cricket Club back in the match. The Rising Warriors are slowly heading towards pressure. Only 1 run of the 2 balls scored so far. Karthik Sangha is the new batsman, the all-rounder.
Captain also.
He's the captain of the team as well. So can he finish the game off? Can he be a hero? Be right here to find out. So Karthik Sangha on strike. Here's the 3rd ball of the over. Oh, that was cut there, but only managed to get a single. Oh, the Karthik Sangha back for a second. That was played beautifully by Karthik Sangha. 2 runs taken by Nagabhushan. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Beautifully played by Nagabhushan. The ace player is on strike. He has managed to get 2 runs. That's some good batting by Nagabhushan there. Can he finish off the match? This is the 4th ball of the 17th over. That was a slower ball there by Vamshi. Nagabhushan going there for a second and they touch back for a second very, very nicely. Very, very good running there by Nagabhushan. Very, very good awareness in the field. He knows where the fielders are. Again, great pace, great bounce being employed by, great ploy being employed by Vamshi. Has been very, very, very instrumental in change of pace. We have seen that in his first spell as well. He's back for a fresh spell. This is the 5th ball of the 18th. What can Nagabhushan do? Nagabhushan moves outside the off stump. Oh, he was trying to heave that and send that sailing, but fails to do so. What a fantastic ball this again by Vamshi. Vamshi is completely taking the pace of the ball. Nagabhushan not able to read that ball. Great bowling there by Vamshi. Has completely read the batsman and deceived the batsman. Oh, Nagabhushan swings. Can he go back for a second? Yes. Nagabhushan goes back for a second. Good run there. Very, very good run there. So at the end, 8 runs of the 18th and the score moves to 150 for the loss of 6.
12 balls remaining, sir.
The Rising Warriors need another 21 in another 12 balls. They need to go over 10. Who's creating history? Who will play the anchor role? Can Nagabhushan be the hero? Time will tell. All the fielders of the Centurious Cricket Club huddling up. The bowlers, the captain marshalling his troops. Can he marshal his troops to the victory today?
Retirement.
Oh, the batsman has retired out. The batsman has been retired out and there's a new batsman who's walking out to the crease. This is a very, very critical phase for both the teams. The Rising Warriors need another 4 wickets and Centurious Cricket Club need another 4 wickets. Joel Boone is a replacement. Joel Boone is the next batsman who has walked in. Can he finish it off? Can he hit the winning runs? The fielders cheering on Balu as he's a key bowler. Oh yes, there again, lack of bounce, the lack of bounce getting the batsman. The lack of bounce getting the better of the batsman, which is really, really very, very superb. Dot ball there. This is the 3rd ball of the 19th. Oh, that's bowled him. That's beaten all ends up. Oh, the pressure getting to the batsman. Karthik Sangha has been bowled. The pressure telling to Karthik Sangha. He was trying to hit it over the fielder. He was trying to finish off the match. He was trying to hit the glory shot. But he was clean bowled there by Balu. Balu keeping it straight, full. Bowling wicket to wicket and earning the rewards. Reaping the rewards. This is some fantastic bowling by Centurious Cricket Club. The Rising Cricket Club the Rising Warriors have got their work cut out. They need another 21 in another 10 balls. They need to go at almost 2 per ball. They need 12 per over. New batsman is Manoj Sangha. He has been a brilliant bowler. Manoj Sangha has been a brilliant bowler. He was the one who has put the scoring breaks on for the Centurious Cricket Club. Now he has got some job in his hands to do with the bat. Can he do that? Can he see the Rising Warriors home. Here's the third ball. Oh, Manoj Sangha trying to be cheeky. But beaten all ends up. That's a dot. 21 of 9. Balu bowling some great deliveries here. Here, fourth ball. Oh, that has hit the seam. That has hit the deck and the ball crawls back. Balu setting up Manoj Sangha very nicely. Manoj Sangha beaten all ends up by Balu. This is some great bit of bowling there by Balu. This is the fifth ball of the 19th. Neatly played down there by Balu. These singles are not going to hurt the Centurious Cricket Club, as another 20 runs are required for victory. Joel, the second left-hander in the team, can he do it? Can he be the hero for the Rising Warriors? Will he be that fighting warrior who will finish the match for the Centurious Cricket Club? Time will tell, destiny will tell. The last ball of the 19th. Balu has changed the line of attack. They're keeping all the regions tight. Another 20 runs are required in another 7 balls. That was driven beautifully there. Will they come back for a second? Joel running to the danger end. Is that out? Oh, that was out. That's a great throw from the deep. Oh, this is a disaster for Rising Warriors as another batsman walks to the pavilion. The Rising Warriors need another 19 runs of the last over. Wow, what stuff this is from Centurious. This is some magnificent stuff from the Centurious Cricket Club bowlers. They have been really wonderful. Balu and Vamshi have been really very, very good in applying the brakes. They've been really full. They've been attacking the stumps. They've been hitting the good and the full length. They've not allowed the batsman to get underneath the ball. What a fantastic cricket match as this final draws to a close. The next batsman Sai Krishna is in. He also has a lot of experience under his belt. Can he be a great hero for this match? Can he be a great hero for the rising players? Manohar Reddy is the last bowler. Right arm medium, and he has got the best figures of overs. He has got a 6-wicket haul, which is quite impressive. And he has got over 410 matches, suggesting his staggering experience in the format. So here's the last over. Who will be the hero? Time will tell. Here's the first ball of the 20th. Centurious Cricket Club fielders and the captain making sure that all the grounds and all the ends are covered. So here's the first ball of the 20th. Oh, that was bowled on the leg stump. Will the batsman go for a second? No. This is absolutely magnificent stuff from Centurious Cricket Club. Only a single. Now another 18 runs are required in 5 balls. Oh, that's high in the air. That's gonna be an easy catch. Yes, the catch has been taken. The catch has been taken. The keeper has pulled off that catch. That was a very, very easy catch in the end. Oh, the team has all out. Wow. The Centurious Cricket Club emerged victorious. The field changes, the bowling. The fielding was slightly streaky in the first half, but they managed to pull the things back in the second half. No. And congratulations to the Centurious Cricket Club. Congratulations to the bowlers for winning the cup. Congratulations Centurious Cricket Club for winning the cup.